Welcome to Road to Detailing. In this video, I'm going to talk about Autobrite Magifoam, more specifically the application, dwelling time and cleaning abilities. Also, I will do a little comparison between two different ways I like to use this snow foam during the pre-wash stage. So to the end of this video, you will have a better overall picture of the performance and characteristics of Autobrite Magifoam. Reading the label of a product could be boring sometimes, but most of the information we can find there is crucial to know the product better on paper. So take a closer look and highlight a few key things. What should we expect from Magifoam? Ultra high foam, powerful and stable cleaning, biodegradable, removes dirt and grime, also safe for last step protection when used as instructed. Let's see the instructions. Use approximately 1 to 2 inches in the bottom of the foam lens and top up with warm water, which I will do very soon, but before we get there is a very interesting claim with a dwelling time up to 30 minutes, and in my case, this was the main selling point of the product because that means it could be safer to do the process outside, even under direct sunlight. I rather like to fill up the lens with water first, in this case warm water, instead of putting the solution to the bottom of the foam lens so it won't foam up during making the mixture, meaning less hassle with the preparation. Magifoam's supposed to have a banana scent, which I couldn't tell you to be fair, but it has a pleasant smell for sure. I couldn't figure then out how much product would mean 1 to 2 inches, but I had great results with only 60 milliliters so far, so I will stick with this amount now as well. The foam lens has been adjusted to allow maximum foaming action with a wider spread, so let's get into action now. As I mentioned at the beginning, I will do a little comparison between two different ways I use Magifoam, and one of them is being to use Magifoam on top of Surfax HD with a dilution ratio of 4%. So spray on the APC to the left side of the car and let it dwell for 1 to 2 minutes before cover it with a white blanket. Magifoam is one of the thickest snow foam I have used so far, so if that's something you are up to, you will definitely enjoy using this snow foam. The main advantage of having a thick foam for me is that it allows a longer dwell time, especially when I need something to cling on top of on a product which I want to do its job longer without dry on the surface. With that being said, Autobrite claims a dwelling time up to 30 minutes, which sounds very optimistic, but I would say you can leave the product working a bit over than 10 minutes without being stressed about direct sunlight or wind. On the day I was filming this video, the wind was pretty strong, but as you can see, after around 12 minutes, Magifoam was still active and clinging on the panels, which is quite impressive in my opinion. Let's rinse off the car after around 30 minutes, and as you can see, it takes minimum to no extra effort to remove that from the panels. However, there is one thing I really don't like about this snow foam, and you should be aware of that as well. It's quite obvious that having an ultra thick snow foam means you have white river on the ground for hours, and if you have neighbors who don't like foaming parties on the street, you might need to think twice or planning ahead to deal with this thing later on. In regards to LSP, as you can see, the beads are still there, so it is fair to say the protection has been untouched, so move on to the cleaning abilities. If you have watched a few of my videos, you know I usually use wipes to see the amount of dirt being left on the panel after the cleaning process, which I won't say the best method to measure the cleaning ability of a product, but this could give you a better visual feedback while just showing pictures about the panel's can't. For further reference, the rear part of the car has been equally dirty, so I have split that into 3 sections, and we can see how much exactly the difference in regards to cleaning power between using only an APC, water or Magifoam on its own. What I personally think is that Magifoam cleans very well, considering it to being only a pH neutral snow foam, with all the good and bad side of its thickness, but as always, let me know what is the most important factor of a snow foam to you down below in the comment section. If you have made it this far, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, likes are free, so please give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to the channel for videos like this by hitting that red button under this video if you haven't already, and make sure you turn on the notification bell to never miss on my weekly uploads. All your support helps the channel growing and is much appreciated. Once again, I was Victor from Road to Detailing. Thanks for watching, thanks for being here, take care and see you soon.